Hello everyone, I welcome to another special video of my channel, and in this video I am going to share my C intermediate journey, how I passed CA Inter Group 1 without any coaching with the exemption in 2 paper. So let's get started to get motivated to learn something from my life, from my journey. So the first and foremost thing is the study material, okay, because everyone in our fraternity, in our C fraternity, everyone say that study material should be followed, and that is the most important thing, but no one followed, because only the study material that you are studying, but the mock test paper, the recent mock test paper, and always remind the thing that the most recently added questions are more frequently come in the examination. So make sure you have practiced all the numbers, and the last number are very much important in the examination, okay. The second thing I want to tell you that a consistent written practice, because I had a lot of written practice during my examination. So you know that our ICAI exams are too tough and very long to answer. So if you don't have any any good written practice, then you cannot attend all the questions in the 3 hour span. So, and when you attend more number of questions, the possibility to pass the exams will be increasing, okay. The third thing is proper planning. People saying that without proper planning no things can be achieved more accurately. So this is, I personally believe this is true, because the CA curriculum is so vast. So a proper planning is important to implement what we are thinking, what our study material to finish, okay. So have a proper planning so as to you can complete all your syllabus in time, and you can give ample time to the revisions, because the more time you revise, the more you will be clearer to the subjects, okay. So the revisions are playing very important role in the CA Inter exam. I personally felt the same thing during my preparation, because when you revise lot of times, you are more closer to the questions. In your mind the questions and the answers are already set. So in my time I had at least 3 or 4 time divisions of each paper. So I can so that it's helped me to score a good mark. The fourth number of thing is mental health and physical health, that plays a very important role in everyone's life. For the physical fitness, you have to go for workout at least 30 minutes a day, so that every day during whole the day you can refresh and feel better during the preparations. And for the mental health, I personally follow you that keep away from the crowd, keep away from the social media stuff, because that will help you to stay mentally calm and to be more productive. In my time I had uninstalled all the social media app for 3 months before my exams. I did not use any social media stuff in the 3 months span. So that helped me to store a lot of knowledges in my mind, and to stay mentally calm and motivated, okay. So I advise all of you, those who are seeing the video, please stay away from the social media stuff and have apply the yoga and meditation in your life. And the number 5 thing is very more important, that confidence and affirmations. A positive affirmations towards your life will help you to achieve lot more. So you can see here that I had shooted a video, and I watch every day at least twice or thrice every day that video. That helps me to motivate, to recalling my goals, to recalling my exams, to recalling all the hard works of my parents. So I personally guide all of you that please have some written note or some video note like me, and repeated the same. When you wake up, please see the video, please read the note, so as to refresh towards your goal, towards your life, so as to achieve more. That is the 5 things which I want to tell all of you, so that to pass the examinations. And so thank you so much, thank you everyone. Stay tuned and stay motivated, work hard and pass your exam. All the best to all of you. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.